Hello Iceland. I just want to welcome you to this short video clip, and I'm really excited that I'm soon going to Iceland. And the reason that I'm coming to Iceland is because you're gonna have an event the 28th of November, and I'm really excited about that event because I know exactly that this event gonna change a lot with people, because we have so many amazing speakers coming to this event. We have some local people coming from Iceland that have done amazing work on Iceland, so you know how to build this business located only in Iceland. And then you're also gonna meet me and one of my great leaders, Kim Beckdor, so you know how you can build a business outside of Iceland too. And we're gonna share some great knowledge to you that you really can use building your business. And for my own reason why I decided to start this business was because for 4 years ago I was really having a busy time, couldn't find enough time to be around with the kids and have to let them in the kindergarten every morning, and I was just so tired of that. So today it's totally different life that me and my lovely wife is living, because now we have more time together with the family. But also around Cincino I have a huge dream that I want to help so many people to succeed in Cincino. So that's why also I will come a lot to Iceland to share those things that I have learned in this business, so you can build an even faster growing business. But there's one thing that I just have to share with you, because this is something that you maybe gonna have once in a lifetime, and that is one of the most famous speakers in the world is coming to Iceland. And that speaker is Michael S. Klaus. And maybe you haven't heard about him, but if you go in and Google him and search around him, he is really famous around the world. And he has an amazing story, because he started on welfare, have no money, have nothing, and today he has built it up to be one of the most famous speakers in the world. And he gonna share that story with you, and he gonna teach you how you can develop your business even faster and how you can develop yourself. Because even if you're not working with Cincino, but you are still thinking about working with Cincino, I will really recommend you to come to this event, because Michael has made a CD set with this name, Building a Better Life. So that means even if you're not working with Cincino, you can still come, learn a lot of things, and try to imagine how it would be to learn to building a better life. And if I should tell you one thing about Mike Klaus, normally when he's coming and speak for an hour, he's gonna charge 500 euros just for that hour, or maybe some places even more. So you're gonna get this ticket to the event to a very, very low price, and you got a huge lot of knowledge with you home that you can go out and use and build a great business, having an amazing life in the future. So no matter what you have to do the 28th of November, see if you can cancel that and come in to this event. I know we're gonna be more than 100 people, so the tickets will be sold out, so you have to hurry up to get yourself a ticket and really get ready for that day. And I will be there some days before, so if you even want to meet me before, just give Gudrun a call and we will arrange to meet you, because I'm really looking forward to see all of you, have a personal talk with all of you. So see you in Iceland in 2 weeks from now. Take care until then.